Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text track in After Effects. First, open your After Effects project and select the text layer you wish to modify. Text tracking allows you to adjust the spacing between characters, creating unique visual styles. We will cover the essential steps to implement this powerful animation technique, enhancing your text's appearance and readability. Let's dive in and make your text truly stand out. To begin, navigate to the Character panel in After Effects. Here, you'll find the tracking property, often represented by VA with an arrow. Adjusting this value, for example, to 50, will spread your text, while a negative value, like -20, will condense it. You can apply these changes to an entire text layer or select specific characters for more precise control. Experiment to find the perfect spacing. Animating tracking adds a dynamic element to your text. To do this, enable keyframes for the tracking property in the timeline. Set an initial tracking value, then move forward in time and set a new value. After Effects will automatically create a smooth transition between these states. For more complex or reactive animations, consider using expressions, which offer powerful control over your tracking effects. For advanced tracking, try combining it with other text animators, such as opacity or position, to create multi-layered effects. Range selectors allow you to apply tracking to specific portions of your text, offering incredibly precise control. Don't forget to experiment with different keyframe interpolation methods, like Easy Ease, to refine the timing and feel of your animations. These techniques will elevate your text tracking to a professional level.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.